This is hall. This is your passage. This is your big kitchen. Your dining table and semi-modular. RO is also there. These lofts are also there. This is your dry balcony with some storage. I will remove this stuff from here, and you can keep your washing machine over here. This is passage. Okay. This is one bedroom with lofts already there. This is one master bedroom. This is very huge, and it has balcony as well. It is grass and this thing. Shed is there. Okay. This is one attached washroom. Okay. This is another washroom. Your passage. Your internet, inverter is also there. That's it.